Need fast and affordable roof repair? We've repaired thousands of leaky roofs and we're confident we can repair yours too. We provide professional quality roofing, so call us today and get a free roof repair estimate. Pick up the phone and call us now. It's not a house, it's your home.
Hi, my name is Henry, and I'm making this video because Elite Roofing really helped me out today. 3 nights ago we had very heavy rains, and my old roof started leaking again. We called Elite Roofing, and they fixed the problem at a fair rate the next day. They're the best roofing company I ever dealt with.